big boy right here. A lot of people. Ooh, car shows, you have so many people rub on your paint. Something I cannot stand. But the wide body with the APR bezels, looks like some kind of Saban lip. Ooh, what do you think of this wide body right here? I improve. Oh, look at the. I like what he did to it. It looked like he cut up the stock hood with those vents. I like it. Those vents look dope. Moving on. Again, we have this buddy right here, the same kit. These are the wheels I really like too. This is the one that Dragon has. Looks like they're buddies. They have the same kind of setup. His is like carbon fiber wrapped or carbon on airlift suspension with the little mirrors. Dude, these guys are like straight twinning it up though. We got the Brit seats with the Takata harnesses. Of course, you gotta get the Keys Racing steering wheel on top of that with a roll cage. Follow him at Subarus. If it was you, what car would you pick? Blue or silver? If you would have to pick one. The blue one, she picked the blue one, boys. Very rare. You don't really see too many people with this kind of front end. Yeah, some flares. I actually kind of like this, the design of these flares. Why are you guys staying in front of my car? Why are you guys staying in front of my car?
Cause it looks dope.
The Bears front bumper.
No, you should look at the rear.
Look at this rear.
It's really nice rear.
T37s with some endless brakes. We got Takata harnesses with the racing seats. Low Pro Max. Oh, this guy got carbon fiber doors. What is this? These doors are carbon fiber. Followed up with the Bears carbon fiber thingy majigger bobs. Bears carbon fiber side skirts with Bears. This is what I'm talking about. This guy going hard right now with the Bears. Once again, this is definitely one of the best ones here. One of my favorite builds here. My favorite. Dude, that's the diffuser I actually like. What do you think of the rear end? Too crazy? No? We are at D-Doors. He has my old exhaust. Looks actually really good. How does this fitment make you feel?
Pretty much on the rim.
It's on the wheel, the rim. He has the Brit seats, low max, of course. Kind of cameled it out. Gosh, it's so low. Carbon fiber sides, the mirrors. The price you pay when you go too low, even when you're on bags. Here we have an STI. It looks like it's bagged. It's an 18 with the you got the good old Workmeister wheels. What happened there? When you tuck so hard. What do you think? Those rims are nice though. We got a dope trunk setup. Subispeed headlights, the canards. Looks like some kind of Subispeed JDM DRLs. It looks like a WRX. Because the way I can tell, it's definitely, well, the badge. There's no side markers. Top, and then you got, of course, the big brake hit. It is a limited though. You get the leather seats inside and out. It is very clean. With a nice Voltex wing. This where the whole car's carbon fibered out. It doesn't look like it's an inlay on top. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell. I don't really know this car too much. But it actually just looks straight carbon fiber. Wow. It's nuts. It's the trunk. The whole thing just looks carbon fibered out. maybe an overlay because you can see it kind of protrude, but otherwise, man, it's insane. It's insane. We got a Type R with some CE28s, making people smile, E-Bach, flooring springs, and that's all you really need to get that Type R looking crazy. How do you feel about the S2000?
Oh, yeah.